Clearly, we're really well organized. Right. This is a little game called Sound Effects, which is usually a lot of fun. And we're going to make the girls do the sound effects. Usually there's a situation of some kind. About car.
We're driving a car somewhere.
Okay. Let me drive. You want to be really British.
British.
Okay, hold on. I'll be driving.
Let's put all that aside. Are we going American or Brit?
British!
All right. Well, very good. Anyway, this is a lovely country road, and I'm not really British, but maybe this accent's weird. And I drive like this too. Oh my goodness, what's that?
I think that was a kangaroo.
All right, this is gonna be an interesting trip. Keep on my merry way here, yes. Oh, heard of them? This is gonna be crazy. Sorry.
It's not really.
You want to drive with kangaroos? All right. Anyway,
Just keep driving straight.
where are we going? Anyway?
Straight. Straight down the road.
I'm going straight.
What if we turn? Slow down! Slow down!
Anyway. Yes, on our way to Grandma's house. Of course. I suppose. We're going to drive to Australia.
Are you pedaling?
Blimey, I think it broke.
It's the book broke.
Car!
Oh.
Get out! I don't want to make noises.
I have the top box still on.
Oh, okay.
Must be there.
Lock, there you go, child lock, okay. I hate this car.
I know. I'll just find the window.
Alright, well, let's open the trunk here. I don't know. Why is there a cat in our engine? Anyway, we need the toolkit. Yeah, the tools here. In the back, of course. Hydraulics installed in the trunk. Wow. All right, go back here. Aha!
Why do we have things in there?
My screwdriver. Anyway, I'm a skilled mechanic, don't worry.
Phillips and the Phillips.
Right. Choke it in this thing. Does that sound right to you? Okay. We'll possess car. Keys. Okay, good. Well, let's see if it starts. So. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it. see if we can get back in and get back on our way.
Well, if we can get back in, that'll be. All right. Well, we can get on our way then.
I think I left the keys in the car.
We could break the window.
Wait, no, you already crawled through the window.
I shut it when I'm on my head. I don't know how I did it. I just shut it.
Oh, just break the window already. We'll get a new one.
Okay. This is really tough fabric. I can't really cover my hand. I'll just use my own hand.
It's the weirdest video ever. It's more fun. Okay. We have a lot of cats in the room. Just keeps coming back.
They multiply too.
You did not just
Do we want to go in now? That's one.
Hey, apparently somebody's allergic.
Well, let's get in, you know.
Okay.
We have to get to Grandma's house.
Right,
you know.
right.
Maybe we're delivering cats.
This will work.
I could have unlocked the door
I
if I
think
put my
I
hand.
might sit on one of these cats.
Those are rattlesnakes.
If I. Well, they didn't get angry at all.
Oh, that the driver's open? Unlock it.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Do you have a walrus in here?
It's probably better you driving anyway.
It's okay. Oh.
Oh, he wants to come.
I'm gonna break this thing before it even opens.
I am.
Oh, there we go.
Are we there yet?
We're definitely working. Okay, there we go. This isn't a very windy road. It's not paved. So we're going really fast.
You're making me nervous.
I've got to take 3 lines over.
Okay. You think that fish and chips next time?
What?
Fish and chips?
Fish and chips, you mean like Lay's?
Sure.
Let's stop. You want to stop by there?
Sure. Okay. Maybe we should get these brakes sometime.
Yeah,
Maybe
maybe
not slam on that exact.
Maybe we should just go out and go.
Oh, yes, okay.
I just remember they have a drive-through.
Ah, it's better. Now get out of the car. It's one of those American inventions, probably.
Okay. Okay. Let's go through the drive-through.
Hey, look, there's a bird.
Like that.
It's massive.
Wonder what kind it is.
Probably the one with the engine.
Yeah. You're going really fast for this.
I've been going around 5 times. Just stop it. What do I want? I have an idea. Okay.
Let's roll it.
They said, do you want any sauce?
Roll what?
Let's roll the car.
Why would we do that?
No, let's roll the car.
So we can get a new one?
Let's, yeah.
This idea this one's haunted? We get better.
We
Can I drive through to the window?
Yeah.
The drive-through
We're
window?
going to roll through the window.
Okay. It's already on. I will let them drive for like 2 days.
You ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
And then the ribbon.
Did we make it?
can't feel my flowers.
Did this harp come with our car?
Well, I'm gonna see if I can get out here. Maybe close the door.
You know, I don't think we did that much damage to the car.
Yeah, the chairs are all everywhere.
I think girls do worse than
Hey, if I put myself over like this, it looks like I got run over.
Maybe you get one too.
Oh,
Oh look, there's silence coming.
maybe he'll take us away.
Aaron, why are you running?
Nothing like that.
Cops, man.
All right.
So that's why there was cats.
Yeah. He stole a bunch of cats.